In this video, I'm going to cover inbuilt rules for date filtering. Unlike numbers, we filter dates as next date, this date, last date, after some date, before some date, or between two dates. Accordingly, the date filtering rules are constructed. Consider this partial production data of an oil and gas firm. Let me create a filter on the date. I'm going to cover three sets of date rules. The first set of date filters are based on absolute date values. The rules under this set are equals, before, after, and between. They behave much like numbers and display values wherever the condition holds true. To begin with, let me illustrate the use of a single filter. Click the down arrow, click on Date Filters, and select Equals. Then enter 10/27/2020 in the argument field and click OK. You can see that the rows containing only 10/27/2020 are displayed and all other dates are not displayed. Now, I'm going to clear the filter. The second set contains relative date rules. These rules do not specify a precise date. Instead, we use logic like next year, this year, last year, next quarter, this quarter, last quarter. One can extend this logic to month, week, or even tomorrow, today, yesterday, and year to date. Filtering is about display, and relative rules have a special advantage in dynamic display. If you filter values based on last year, then the filter will display last year's actual production. A relative rule automatically adds data to the custom filter. Let me show you the custom filter. You can see that the date values are updated automatically in the custom filter. You can also filter values for the next year. These values will be estimates. The third set of date filters are based on periods set to months or quarters. Let me illustrate all dates in the period filter. Click the down arrow, click on Date Filters, click on all dates in the period, and select Quarter 1. You can see that the rows containing data for Quarter 1 are displayed and all other dates are not displayed. This filter only focuses on the period and ignores the year, so you can see data for years 2019, 2020, and 2021.